Taimira, stand up, stand up. Yes, all stand straight. Close your eyes. Children, you should follow with me. Okay. If ma'am says, you should also say. Say along with me. Okay, ready? Yeah. Close your eyes. Join your hands. Stand straight. Kidsy anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath the flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Don't sit, don't sit. Get ready for the aerobics. Yeah, get ready, children. Yes, ready. Do like this. Madhu. Do like this. Yes. Run fast. Saindra, come on, do. Adam. Very nice, very nice. Sit down, all of you. Yes, children. Got tired? Want to drink water? Yes, who want water? Okay, fine, children. Yeah. Children, come on. Yes, I'm tired, children. I got tired. Are you all right? Okay, fine, fine. All give clap once. Clap once. Yes, louder clap. Yes, yes, yes. Today, ma'am is going to teach you the numbers. What is that? Numbers, ma'am is going to teach you. Children, already you know how to count 1 to 20, right? Today, ma'am will going to count you 25 up to 25. 1 to 25. Are you ready? Are you ready, children? What number is this? This is what number? See all of you. 1. 1. Yes. What is this? What number is this? 2. 2. All give one clap, children. Give one clap. Yes. 2 claps. 2. What is this? What number is this? 3. Give 3 claps. All give 3 claps. Only 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay. 3. Keshav, come on. What number is this? What number is this, children? 4. 4. Give 4 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, Saimira, do. Okay, fine. What number is this? 5. 5. Show your 5 fingers. All show me 5 fingers. Yeah, one hand, 5 fingers. Yes, give 5 clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, right? Okay, fine. What number is this? What is it? Farheen, say what number is this? 6. Very good. 6. Give 6 clap. 6 clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What number is this? 6. For 6, 6 clap. Fine. What number is this? Yes? 7. 7. What number is this? 7. Say all of you. 7. What is this? 8. What is it? 8. What number is this? 8. Say all of you. Open your mouth and say 8. Very good, Jason. Superb. What is it? 9. 9. Say Saimira, say louder. 9. Yeah, very good. 9. Kesha? Yes. 10. What is it? 10. How to write 10? 1 and 0. 1, 0 makes 10. Say 1, 1 and 0 makes 10. What is it? 10. 10. What number is this? 1, 1. 11. 1, 1, 11. Say children. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Say all of you. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Say children. 1, 4, 14. Yes. 1, 5, 15. What number is this? Say Adam. What number is this, Adam? 1, 5, 15.
15 sir. Because 15.
Say 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. Say 1, 6, 16. What number is this? 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 7, 17. 1, 7, 17. Say all of you. 17. Yeah, next number is 1 and 8, 18. 1, 1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 1, 9, 19. And this 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. Say children, what number is this? 0, 0. 2 and 0 makes 20. Yes, 20. Then 2, 1, 21. 22. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 4, 24. 2 and 5, 25. Say, shall we count again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Show me 10 fingers, all of you. Show me 10 fingers. Yes, 10. Very good, very good. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yes, got it? 25. Okay, children. Now all stand up. Stand up all. What song yesterday I taught you? Yes, stand up. Get up, get up. Come on. Ready for dance? Are you ready? Yes, yes. Very good. All are getting ready. Yes. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. Listen to the music and stamp your feet. Turn around. Turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Jump up high. Jump up high. Jump children. Jump up high. Jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Snap your fingers. Snap your fingers. Listen to the music and snap your fingers. Okay? Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. Listen to the music and stamp your feet. Turn around. Turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Jump up high. Jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Snap your fingers. Snap your fingers. Listen to the music and snap your fingers. Very good, Aden. Good job, Aden. Aden really enjoying, right? Very good. Now sit down, all of you. Sit down. All sit in your seat. Yes, very good. So yesterday ma'am has taught you in English. Yes, in language. Ma'am has taught you letter I. Am I right? Can you remember that letter I? Write in the air. I. Letter I. Write in the air. Yes. Letter I. Can you take your slate? Can you take your slate? Yes. Take your slate. Write letter I. See? Letter I. How to write letter I? I. Before that, ma'am will show you some object begins with letter I. Okay, children?
Echo.
Yes, I. I haven't say you good morning again. Sorry, haven't show the picture of good morning, right? Good morning. Okay? Yeah. Yes. What letter is this, children? Say what letter is this, Madhu? Madhuvanti, what letter is this?
Not able to see presentation.
Not able to see the presentation.
I'm not sure whether others are.
Wait. Let me check. Yeah. Now it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Fine, children. What letter is this? I. Say I. Letter I. This is also letter I. Okay? Yeah. I for ice cream. Ice cream. I for ice cream. I for iron box. Iron box. Iron box. Okay? I for ivy plant. Ivy plant. Ivy plant. Ivy plant. Okay? I for igloo. Igloo. What is it? Igloo. Igloo. Okay? I for ink pot. What is this, children? Ink pot. Ink pot. Ink pot. Okay? I for insect. What is this? Insect. I for insect. Insect. I for insect. Insect. Okay? Now take your workbook. Take this page. Page number 60. D60. All take your workbook. Now we are going to write the letter I. Are you ready, children? Take page number D60. Sorry. Yes. D60 LT. Page number D60 LT. Yes. Can you see the letter? Yeah. What letter is this? I. Letter I. Say I for ink pot. Ink pot. I for insect. Insect. I for iguana. Iguana is a kind of insect like lizard family. Okay? Iguana. I for igloo. Igloo. Now take your pencil. All take your pencil. Pencil or crayon, whatever you have. Take it. Yes? Okay, children. You have to start from one standing line. How is I? One long standing line, two short sleeping lines makes your I. So have to start from the red line to black line. Okay? And two sleeping lines. Up one sleeping line, down one sleeping line. This is letter I. Okay? Yeah, write like this. One standing line, two sleeping lines. This is letter I. Letter I. One standing line and two sleeping lines. Slowly trace the letter I. Okay, the same way I for insect. I for insect. Yes, I for insect. You are not supposed to exceed from this line, children. You have to need a pencil control. Okay, finger control. Yes, slowly do like this. The full page. Okay. Yes, are you writing? Okay, children, finish. Yes, Madhu, very nice. Slowly, write slowly. What letter is that, Madhu?
What is this? Like என்ன letter Madhu?
I for what are the things given the side?
What are they? What is this?
What are the things in the book? Given in the book?
இது என்ன?
Say, I for?
மேம் கிட்ட சொல்லு. மேம் கிட்ட சொல்லுங்க.
Say, Madhu, what is the first picture?
மேம் பார்த்து சொல்லு.
Hey, what are the things given in the book?
நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. இது என்ன? I for?
I for?
I for what is this? Say. மதுவந்தி.
இங்க பாரு இது என்னன்னு சொல்லுங்க.
Oh, Madhu don't know what is that picture?
She knows she was interested in drawing.
Oh, drawing. Interested in doing that. Wait, I'll give you drawing also.
அப்ப மேம்.
Madhu, now you say what are the things in the book?
சொல்லிடுங்க மேம்க்கு அப்புறம் போயிடலாம். இது என்ன?
I for?
மேம் கிட்ட சொல்லுங்க.
இது என்ன சொல்லுங்க. இது என்ன சொல்லுங்க.
What is this?
இது என்ன சொல்லுங்க. அப்புறம் எழுதலாம்.
Say what is the first picture?
இது
ஒழுங்கா சொல்லு. ஏய்,
இது என்னது?
Is that Ellie? Iguana. Say iguana. Okay, iguana. Yes. The last one is igloo. Igloo. Okay.
okay ma'am.
Well done, Madhu. Saimira finished? Keshav, Saimira, Jason. Yes, Keshav finished. Keshan, can you name the pictures? Keshav, what are the things given in the book? Yes, what's the Say, Keshav, say I for insect. Insect. Say, what is the sound of I, children? E and I. Okay, E and I.
No, I for
Ah, very good, Keshav. Nice, nice. And what about Jason, Shivanya, Saimira, Farheen, Adan? Finished here? Show me, enable the video, Shivanya.
Is it not visible, ma'am?
Not visible, ma.
Once.
Farheen,
What our video, ma'am? It's enabled or not?
yours enabled, but it's frozen. It's freeze like
Okay.
yeah. Jason, very good, Jason.
Complete.
Say the sound of I, Jason.
I sound sollu.
Say
I.
I. E and I. E and I. Okay. Okay. Say the picture name. Say I for ink pot.
இது சொல்லு. இது spider இல்ல insect.
Is it spider?
What is this, no? Is it spider?
No.
Correct.
Insect. Very good. It's a ladybird. Okay. Ladybird is a kind of insect. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next one.
He is not sure of iguana, ma'am.
Oh, iguana. The new thing, right? Iguana. Okay. I for iguana and igloo. Very good. Nice. Very nice, Jason. Saimira, finish?
Ma'am, is it visible now?
No, ma.
Okay, let me go.
Okay. Yes, Farheen. Farheen, say the name of the object. Farheen. Say the name of the object, Farheen. Unmute and say.
Sure.
Yes, Saimira, I'll come and ask you. Wait a minute, Saimira. Farheen, say louder.
Say louder, insect.
Very good.
Iguana. She's not sure about this.
Iguana. Okay. Iguana. Say.
Very good.
Then.
Say louder. Say one more time. Say.
Igloo. It's igloo. Right? Very cute, Ra. Superb. Saimira, ready?
Yes.
Yes, Saimira, say. First say the letter and its sound, then you say name the thing. What letter is that?
Sound
I. Very good. I say. Yes, I can hear. Next. Sound. I and E. Very good.
What is this?
Say the object. Ink pot. Very good. Say ink pot. Next. Insect. Very cute. Insect. Yeah. Next one. Iguana. Very good. No problem. Iguana. Next.
What is this?
Last one.
What is this?
Igloo. Very cute. Superb. Shivanya, finished, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shivanya, say the name.
Sit straight. Say. Say, what are all the things here? What is sound of I?
What is the sound of I, Shivanya? Right.
Then? Say. Incy spider.
Incy spider. Ink pot, insect.
What is this?
Very cute. Iguana and
igloo.
Igloo. Very good. Adam? Very good, dear. Adam finished, Adam? Okay, children. So, shall we move next page? Adam mummy is doing.
No, ma'am. He's
I know.
not doing.
Okay. Let him do later. Okay, fine. Children, go to D60CT. Next one is D60CT. I'll show the picture. Yes, okay. Before that, I'll teach you what are the things. Can you name this vegetable? This is a kind of vegetable. What is it, children? This is garlic. What is it? Garlic. Say garlic. Garlic. What is the name of this vegetable? Garlic. The second thing is, what is this? This is sweet potato. Sweet potato. What is it? Sweet potato. It's a kind of like potato. Okay. It's underground vegetable. Its taste is sweet. Okay. Color is slightly pink. Pink skin it has. Okay, children. Yeah. And what is this? Already I taught you this one. Radish. What is it? Radish. The radish is white in color. This is also an underground vegetable. Okay. Yeah. And another one is beetroot. Yes. What is it? Beetroot. It's a purple or pink color, slight pink, dark pink color or purple color. This is also underground vegetable. All these four are underground vegetables. Okay. This is beetroot and it is radish and this one is sweet potato and this is garlic. Okay, children. Fine. Now we are going to do this activity. Yeah? Yes. Can you see the picture? Page number D60 CT. Okay. The first one is beetroot. Second one is sweet potato. Third one is garlic. And the last one is radish. Okay. Now we are going to match the same. Shall we do? The same picture we are going to match. Yes. Yeah, have to match the same thing. Okay. Yes, what is it? This is beetroot. Where is the same beetroot? Is this beetroot? No. Second one is radish. Third one is sweet potato, and the last one is beetroot. So, have to draw a line from this beetroot to this beetroot. Okay, children? Yeah. The same picture you have to match. Yes? What's the second one? This is sweet potato. This is sweet potato. Now, where is sweet potato? Can you find out? Is this? No, this is not. Yes, this is sweet potato. So, draw a line from this to this. Okay? The third one is garlic. What is that? Garlic. Garlic. Okay? Now, we have to see the same picture of garlic. Yes, it's in here. Done, children? Good. The same way you have to draw like this. And the last one is radish. So, have to join the radish to radish. Okay, children? Yes, can you see this? Yeah. Radish, sweet potato to sweet potato, garlic to garlic, radish to radish, and beetroot to beetroot. Okay? Fine. Now we are going to teach you one more thing. Okay? So you have to go for page number D60 MT. I taught you the numbers 1 to 25. Yes, right. Now you have to match, circle the numbers. Okay. Have to count the object and circle the right number. Are you ready, children? Yeah. Okay. See the picture, children. First one is sweet potato. How many sweet potatoes are there? Count. Keep your finger on the picture and then count. 1, 2, 3, 4. This right side, where is 4, children? Find out where is 4. Is this 4? The first one is 4? No. Is this 4? No. Is this 4? Yes. Have to circle the number 4. Okay. The second picture is onions. Onions. Count the onions. How many onions are there? Can you say how many onions are there? 1, 2. Slowly count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is 6, children? Yeah, the first one is 6. So, circle the number 6. Okay? Yeah. Third picture is carrot. How many carrots are there? 1, 2. Yes, where is 2? Yeah, this is here. So, have to circle number 2. Okay. Next picture, brinjal. How many brinjals are there? 1, 2, 3. Yes, we have 3 brinjals. Where is number 3, children? Is this 3? No. Is this 3? No. Is this 3? Yes. So, circle the number 3. And the last picture, how many ladies' fingers are there? 1, 2. So, circle the number 2. Here it is. Circle the number 2. Yes, carry on. Finish. The same way, go to page number D60 MT. Take this page D60 MT. Take this picture. Yes, right? The previous page. Sorry, the next page. D60. Yes, ready, children? This is like a pattern, children. This is like pattern in coloring. Okay, coloring in pattern. Okay, see the first vegetable color. This is light green or a yellow like shade. Light green capsicum. This is in dark color, dark green. The next one is light green. Another one is dark green. Again, this is light green. What is the color will come next? This is light green or dark green? Children, what color will come? See the color pattern. Light green, dark green. Yes, light green, dark green. Light green. Yes, the dark green will come. Next will the dark green. Okay, fine. Fill this capsicum in dark green. Yes, fill the capsicum with a dark green. Okay. This is color pattern. Okay, children. Yeah. The second picture is apple. You finish the first one?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you do other next two or take it as a homework, children? Yes. Can you take it as a homework? Okay, ready. The first one is red apple, green apple. Red apple, green apple. Red apple, and the next one is green apple. So have to give green color. Sorry, this is like a yellow like color, right? Yeah. Yes, okay. And the third row, cabbage. This is light green. Next one is purple. Light green, purple. Light green. What is the next? Saimira, say what is the next? Is this purple or light green? Say. Next to light green. Cabbage. See the cabbage. Here. Purple. So give purple color for this cabbage. Okay. Purple color. Yeah. This you take it as a homework, children. Don't do now. Next, ma'am is going to teach you a new thing. Okay? Yes, children, close your book. See the picture. Carefully look at the images, children. Ma'am is showing you 3 objects. What are they? What is the first one? Keshav, say what's the first object? What is this? This game is known as the critical thinking. Okay? You are going to think and answer me. Yes, children?
Guys.
No, what object is this, Shivanya? This is bottle, right? What more? This is bottle. Very good. What is the second object? Ball. Very nice. What's the third object? Teddy bear. So you keep it in your mind, children. First one is bottle. Second one is ball. Third one is teddy bear. Keep it in your mind. We are going to play a game. Okay? Keep it. See once again the picture. Yes. See the pictures carefully. The first one is bottle. Second one is ball. Third one is teddy bear. Next I am going to show you another one picture. Okay? Keep these objects in your mind, children. Carefully. Yes. Wow. Here is only 2 objects are there. One is missing. What is that? Keshav, can you say what is that? What object is missing here? Teddy. Yes, very good. Because bottle is here. Ball is here. Here one is missing. What is that? Teddy bear. Very cute. And Farheen, in this picture, what is missing? Bottle is here. Teddy bear is here. One is missing. You know what is that?
Louder.
No, teddy is here. I shown you 3 objects. One is bottle. Another one is teddy. And the third one is?
She's saying, ma'am.
She's saying, say louder, dear. Then only other children also hear. Ball. Yes, it's ball.
Again, ball kahan hai?
Ball. Yes, of course. Ball. Yeah. Okay, fine. The next picture I'll show you. See carefully, children. This is, first one is building blocks. Second one is bell. Third one is a drum. Okay, see again. Building blocks, bell, drum. Building blocks, bell, drum. Keep it in your mind, children. Missing, you are going to find out the missing object. Okay. First one is building block. Second one is bell. Third one is drum. Okay. Yeah. Adam? Adam is not there. Madhu? Madhuvanti, can you say which one is missing here?
That is missing cell. Bell.
Blocks are. Yes, dear?
Satyama sir.
Say. Very good. Yeah, bell. Bell is missing. Blocks are here. Drum is here. In between, bell has come, right? That is missing. Very good, Madhu. Very good. See in the next picture, what is missing?
Blocks. Bell.
Where is missing?
Which is missing? This is blocks. This is bell. The another one is missing. What is that? Drum. Very cute. So this game is known as critical thinking. Okay, children? Critical thinking. In this picture, the drum is missing. In this picture, bell is missing. Here, all the three objects are here. Okay? Fine. Jason, can you remember what is missing here? Bottle, teddy bear is there.
Ball.
What dear?
Teddy.
Teddy is here.
Ball.
Can you? Sorry?
Ball.
Ball.
What is
Yes. Yes, very good. Ball is missing. Yeah, in this picture, what is missing?
What is missing?
What is missing here? Bottle is here, ball is here. One more will come, right? What is that?
Teddy.
Yeah, excellent. Super, Jason. Pat on your back. So, bottle, ball, teddy. Yes, very good, children. Very nice. Nice way all are answering. All pat on your back, children. Excellent job. You have done a good job. Yes. Very good. Did you enjoy the session? Yes? Say yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, very jolly session it was, right? You do so many things you have done, children. All have done so many things. You find out the missing object. You match the objects, count and match the objects, match same, and you wrote letter I. Yes, so many things we have done today, and we have count 1 to 25 numbers. Yes, right? Very good. So, very good, children. Thank you very much. Ma'am is going to close the session. Yes. Welcome. Say bye-bye.
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 Bye.